Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys how to change your language on ChatGPT mobile. So here I open my ChatGPT mobile on my phone in landscape mode. Here you can see on the left corner on the top, you can click that icon here, okay? And then you can scroll down until very bottom, okay? Until the very bottom, this is your history chat. You scroll it down until the very bottom. Wait for a while because it's loading my older chat. Okay, it's so many chats. Oh, I'm sorry. Since I am using the landscape mode here, you can see this is the GH, which is initial of my name. You just click that GH or your name, and then you find scroll down until you can find this general. Okay, on that general, there is an option of language. You can switch your language through this option. So you can switch whatever your preference, and then you can click save. Then that's it. How to change language on ChatGPT mobile. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. It's helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.